Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. My name is Tamika. I do lifestyle videos, home decor, thrifting, and DIYs. So if those are the stuff that you love to watch, I'd really appreciate if you press that subscribe button to be a part of this beautiful family. Thank you guys. I know I've been missing in action for the last maybe 3 weeks. I've not posted any content for the last 3 weeks, but I do have a valid reason for that. So a few weeks ago, my hubby and I, we went out to have dinner, and I brought the camera with me just to take some pictures and do some videos. But guess what? I was playing around and the camera fell from my hand and the lens broke. So I had to bring it back to the store where we purchased it from, because we did have, is it protection plan or warranty? One of the both, I'm not sure. But we brought it back and they took both the lens and the camera, because we weren't sure what was wrong with the camera. So they did a diagnostic on it. So I thought, I'm not a technology person, but I thought I'd have gotten it back by within a week or a week and a half. That wasn't the case. So 3 weeks later, I got my camera back. So now I'm here. I'm happy to start making new content for you guys. So in today's video, I want to share with you 5 of my favorite coffee table books that I picked up from Amazon that I am so in love with right now. And I also want to share with you some catalog or magazines that I also picked up for free that I also style as coffee table books. So the first one is one of my recent purchase, but it's already on my favorite list of coffee table books. It is this Saint Laurent Scandal Collection 1971 coffee table book right here. I'm so in love with this book. I purchased this book just for the color. I'm not gonna lie, when I saw it I was like, oh my god, this will go perfect with my fall color in my living room. So I put it in my cart. But when I got it, I realized that you could definitely take the cover off. So you could definitely, if you don't want the pop of green and you just want a plain neutral black and white color, this will serve you as well. This book right here, and it has a title on the front as well, and it also has the title on the spine. It's a glossy finish, but I'm loving this book. Look how beautiful it is. It is on the smaller side of a coffee table book. But guess what? Not all your coffee table books need to be large. You need some medium and you need to have some small as well. So I think this fall in the medium to small range, depending on where you want to style it. But I definitely style this one with the cover on my entryway table, because most of these books I did style in my living room. And guess how much for this book? $29. $29 for this Saint Laurent book right here. You cannot go wrong with that price for this book. The next book that I'm about to show you, if you are a home decor person, you love home decor, you love purchasing coffee table books, I know you already have this book. I'm telling you, you already have this book, but I'm still going to show it because maybe people see the brand and think that it's expensive, but it's not. It is this classic Chanel book right here. Beautiful Chanel book. Listen, you're gonna hear me say love a lot because I love all these books. So don't come for me saying how many times she's gonna say I love, because I love this book right here. I'm in love with this book. Oh my god. And I love the fact that on the front it has the white rose with the black background and the white Chanel, but on the spine it's reversed. It has a white background and the Chanel is in black writing. Isn't that beautiful? This is a statement piece in your home decor. If you style this on your coffee table or your entryway or your console, it still give you that luxurious style. This was so inexpensive comparing to the other big brands coffee table book. This was $32. $32 for this book right here. The size is a perfect size. I style this book on top of my Tom Ford book on my coffee table right here. If you do not picked up any of the other books that I'll be showing you, I want you guys to go out and purchase these two books, as it will definitely elevate your coffee table, your entryway, wherever you want to put it. It will definitely be a statement piece on any of those pieces that you put them on. Look at this. Look how beautiful the combination on both of these are. Beautiful, nice. Loving these two books. Great price, great books. If you're new to home decor and you're trying to elevate your style and you're trying to buy some coffee table books, but you do not want to go out and purchase the Tom Ford, the Louis Vuitton, all those high-end, you could definitely get the same style with these books, in my opinion. And there are other affordable books out there as well. Not only these, but you have other books on Amazon as well that could definitely elevate your decor style. So the next book I have here is the White Company, and this is For the Love of White, the neutral and white home. This book is not only just a coffee table book, it's a book that gives you so many inspiration. You go through it, beautiful, beautiful layout, neutrals and white. If your home is all about the neutral color, the white, you need to get this book in your life. I'm telling you, you need to get this book in your life. This book can fall on the large side of a coffee table books, but I'm loving it. Let me take the cover off and show you guys how it looks without the cover. It's like two books in one. Look how beautiful this one is. And the texture of this book is like a, what should I say? It's like a linen book, but it's on an hardcover. I don't know, it's like a textured book though, and it also has the title on the spine as well. This nice size book right here was under $30, so you cannot beat those prices for these quality coffee table books that I'm showing you. Next book that I want to show you, I think this book is a 2-in-1. I'm not lying. It is a Simplicity book, and I'm loving, this is on the larger side of a coffee table book as well. I'm loving this gorgeousness right here. And the reason why I said it's a 2-in-1, look on the cover right now. You see how beautiful this cover is? But let me take the cover off and you get a whole different book, a whole different vibe. Look at this. Take off the cover. Look at this. You see what I'm talking about? A whole different vibe book you're getting right here. And you know what I love too? I love the edges of the leaves are black. It's a 2-in-1 book. Look how beautiful this is. It is simple, but it is beautiful. This one and the Chanel book was the more expensive one. I don't mind paying $32 for those books, or for this book. I'm not lying. I love this book. How big this book is. You see that? You cannot lose on this book. And if you want to style it close, it's okay. If you want to style it to the front, it's okay. If you want to style it so the spine exposed, you could do it as well. If you want to style it open, it's beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful all around coffee table book. This is one of my favorite. This is on my top 5 favorite coffee table books. I did show this book on one of my Amazon haul, but I had to bring it back because it is one of my favorite coffee table books of all time. I love this book. So the next book that I want to share with you guys is very different compared to the other coffee table books that I just showed you. I'm not sure if most of you know, but I am active duty military army, And at some point in time, I am planning to get out to become an entrepreneur. So when I saw this book, I was like, I think I am purchasing this book. And I looked at it and I was like, you know what? I think I'm going to purchase the book and see what it's all about. It is the Kingfolk Entrepreneur Ideas for Meaningful Work. So I've not yet read it fully, but I kind of scroll through it and see what it's all about. And it's, from where I'm looking at, it's telling you about innovative entrepreneurs and, you know, people who started out their business small and how successful they are. That's my thought on this book right now. I have not yet read it, but I'm planning to read it. I put it on my bedside table a few nights ago to start reading it, but I have not opened it yet. I'm trying to break myself from stop going through my phone after a period of time and take up a book. So I put it on my bedside table and I'm planning to start reading through this book. Once I'm finished reading it, it will be serving as a coffee table book. Love this one, and look how thick this is. This is one of the thicker coffee table books. This book cover can also be removed, and look at it. It is this beige gray, and it also has the name on the spine with white writing, and I'm loving that. I'm definitely going to take my time out and read this book before I go to bed at night. So, and this book was only $20. This book was only $20. Very inexpensive book. Those are all my 5 coffee table books, inexpensive coffee table books that I want to share with you guys. So on to my free magazines or catalog that I picked up. I went to Restoration Hardware a few weeks ago, a month ago. I was looking on their dining room table because I'm planning to buy a dining room table, so I was trying to look for options, and I went into their outlet and I was, you know, smoking around, shopping around, looking around, and I came upon the magazine rack. They had a number of magazines on there, so you know, I picked up every one of their 2020 catalog. You have the RH interior. Look how thick these are. You see how thick these books are for free? So I have the RH interior, I have the RH rugs, and I have the RH outdoor. Look how thick this one is. Oh my god, look at this. This could be a whole book by itself. So RH outdoor, and I also have the RH modern. So again, in my last fall home decor video, my living room fall decor, I did style these as well on my coffee table. So I'll definitely again leave the link here. I'll put my info card here, or put the link in the description box to show you guys how I style these on my coffee table. Look how beautiful this is. The simplicity, that's all I love. The simplicity of these furniture is effortlessly, and I'm loving everything about these books. I'm not gonna lie, I'm obsessed with Restoration Hardware. Guys, go out and grab you some catalog or magazines to style as your coffee table book. You don't have to go out and purchase nothing too expensive to get that luxurious look. I am a frugalista at times, and I tend to go out to get stuff to give me the same effect as the more expensive pieces, and I think I got the same look with these as well. Yes, I do have high-end coffee table books, but I really think these go against them just the same. I love these books. Okay guys, that's it. I showed you 5 of my favorite inexpensive coffee table books, and also some of my free catalogs that I use as coffee table books as well. And I really hope you will go out and purchase some of these books if you're considering to elevate your style with coffee table books and do not want to purchase the more expensive one. I think these will go perfect for you. I'm loving loving these 5 books that I showed you will work for you. So thank you again, guys, for stopping by my channel. And I also want to tell my subscriber thank you for hanging in there with me without me not giving you any content for the last 2 weeks. I really appreciate you, and welcome to my new subscribers as well. I really appreciate your support, and thank you all for watching. Have yourself a wonderful day, guys. Mwah. Bye.